Hi, my name is Zain. I am from India, and in this video, I am going to translate this film into English. Okay, on the right hand side, you can see the dialogues of the film, and on the left hand side, you can see the actual film. Okay, let's start.
Je suis une adolescente et je souffre de dépression, mais ils ne le savent sûrement pas. La dépression se glisse en vous lentement. Au tout début, vous vous battez contre des petits détails, mais vous décidez de les ignorer. C'est comme un mal de tête. Vous vous dites que c'est temporaire et que ça va passer. C'est juste un autre mauvais jour. Il s'attend des personnes qui ont des maladies mentales, des raies, sans maquillage, avec des cheveux sales, tels que des fous. Et la vérité est que c'est complètement le contraire. Vous essayez de...
Okay, now I will explain. I will translate the dialogues into English. Okay, Je means I, Sui means am, Un means a, adolescent means teenager. Okay, A means and, Je souffre means I suffer, the depression means from the depression, Me means but, Il means they, Na means na pa, any na pa pa, na pa means not. Now in French, negative word is written into two parts. First part is written before verb and second part is written after verb. That is why you can see la, savon, surmo, surmo between na pa. So na pa means don't, la means it. Now in French, object pronoun is written between subject and verb. That is why le is written between il and savo. Le means it, savo means no, sûrement means surely or certainly, but they don't know it certainly. La depression se glisse means the depression glides. Glides, glides. Glisse means glide. Sir is a reflexive verb. In French, when you do something for yourself, you use reflexive verb. Okay. A means in, vous means you, lentement means slowly. Okay. Ou tout début means at the start. Vous means you. Second vous means is a reflexive verb. Battre means battle or fight. Contre means against. The don't have a meaning, it's a partitive article. In French, when the quantity of a particular thing is unknown, we use partitive article. In this sentence, quantity of petite is unknown, that is why the is used before petite. Petite means small, detail means details, mais means but, vous décidez means you decide, le means them, them, ignore means to ignore. Sa means it is, kum means like, mol means a pain, the tet means of head, a headache. Vu means you, second vu is a reflexive verb, dit means say, ka means that, sa tempore means it is temporary, a means and, ka means that, sava means it is going to, sa means it, va means is going to, is going, passe means to pass, sa means it is, just means just, un utra means an other, move means bad, juh means day, il means they, sate don means think. The is a reflex is a partitive article. Person means person. Ki means which. On means have. The is a reflex. The is a partitive article. Maladia means disease. Mental means mortal means mental. Okay, error means to wander, to roam. Saw means without. Maquillage means makeup. Okay, a means and, avec means with. The is a partitive article. Shevu means hair. Sal means dirty. Tel means so. Ka means that. The is a partitive article. Fu means crazy. A means and. La means the. Verite means truth. A means is. Ka means that. sa means it is, complètement means completely, la means the, contraire means opposite. Okay, vous means you, essayer means think, sorry, try, you try, essayer means try. Okay.
S'accrocher à ce qui reste de sain en vous en essayant d'avoir l'air le plus normal possible. Vous êtes coincé dans cet état d'esprit. Vous vous habituez à mettre un masque et à vivre parmi les autres. Parce que c'est ce que vous devez faire, c'est ce que les autres font. Vous commencez à jouer à ce jeu et cela vous coûte de plus en plus cher. Que le silence et la pesanteur remplissent votre esprit. Vous vous retrouvez à vivre au ralenti. Même les tâches les plus simples deviennent douloureuses. La dépression vous...
Okay. Accrocher means you try. Accrocher means to hold, to keep. Okay. Accrocher means to hold or to keep. A se ki means what, WHAT, what. Rest means to rest means remain, or left, left, left. So the is a partitive article, SAIN, saw means healthy, a means in, vous means you, essayant means trying, d'avoir means to have, leh means the air, le plus means the more, no, normal means normal, possible means possible, vous êtes means you are, coincé means stuck, 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 da means in, set means this, ita means state, desprit means mind, state of mind. Okay. Vous means you. Second, vous is a reflexive verb. Habitué means usually or habitually. Mettre means to put. A mask means a mask, mask, mask. A means and, a vivre means to live. Parmi means among. Le means the, outre means others. You usually put a mask and live among others. Parce que means because. Ce means it is. Ce que means what. Vous means you. Deve means, sorry, deve means should. Feh means do, to do. Feh means do. Ce means it is. Ce que means what. Le zoutre means the others. For means make or do. Okay. Vous means you. Commence means start. A jouer means to play. A se joue means you start to play this game. Okay, joue means game. A means and, cela means this, vous means you, coûte means cost, cost, cost. A, cela, vous, coûte means and, this cost you. The plus, en plus means more and more. Okay. Cher means expensive or costly. Que means what. Le silence, sorry, that. Que means that. Le silence means the silence. A la pesanteur means and the gravity. Remplissant means fill, fill, fill. Votre means your, esprit means mind. Vous means you. Second, vous is a reflexive verb. Retrouve means to find, sorry, find, not to find, find. Vivre means to live. Ou means in the. Ra length, lonti means slow motion. Mem means even. Le means the. Tache means spot or stain. Okay. Le plus simple means the simplest. Deviant Devieno means become. Dolorous means painful. Even the smallest spot becomes painful. La depression means the depression. Vous means you. Prive means to caught, to catch, to rob, to steal. Okay, to steal. The depression steal you, robs you. Okay.
Prive de ressentir toute autre chose que tristesse éternelle. Elle vole votre confiance et après, vous ne vous sentez plus digne de l'amour de personne. Vous continuez à fuir et à détruire vos relations. Il y a des moments quand elle prend le dessus et vous faites une surdose. Ou vous vous coupez pour ressentir au moins un autre sentiment à part celui que vous éprouvez constamment. Vous avez honte de vous.
Okay. I will first I will translate this much. Okay, because I went up now. That is why. Okay. The depression caught you. Okay, ressentir means to feel, to sense. Tooth means all, utra means other, shoes means thing, kun means that tristes means sadness, tristes means sadness, eternal means internal, eternal. Okay, L means it, vol means fly. Okay, fly. Where was I? Yeah. L vol means fly. Votre means your. Confiance means confidence. A means and. Après means after. Vous means you. Ne sente plus means no more feel. You no more feel. Digne means worthy, worthy, worthy. The l'amour means of the love. Personne means person. Okay. Vous means you. Continue means continue. Fuir. Fuir means to run away, to flee, FLEE, flee. A means end, détruire means to destroy. Wo means your, relation means relation. Il y a means there is. The is a partitive article. Moment means moments. Quoi means when. El means it. From means to take. Okay. Desu means above or over. When it gets over or when it takes over. A means and. Vous faith means you do. Un dose means an overdose. U means or. Vous means you. Okay. Second vous is a reflexive verb. Coupe means cut. C-U-T, cut. Pour means for. Ressentir means to feel. Moi means at least. Okay. Outre means an other. Sentiment means sentiment. Apa means apart. Celui means the one, apart from the one. Que means that. Vous means you. Éprouver means experience. Constamment means constantly. Vous avez means you have. Honte means shame. The vous means of you. You are ashamed of yourself. You are ashamed of yourself. A means and. The is a partitive article. Tu means all. Ce que means what. Vous avez means you have. Faith means done. You are ashamed of yourself and all what you have done.
Et de ce que vous avez fait. Vous vous retrouvez assis par terre dans la salle de bain en train de se demander pourquoi vous n'êtes pas assez bon. Ou à 3 heures du matin, la main sur la bouche en train de pleurer, tellement que vous avez mal à la poitrine. Une partie de vous veut faire les choses bien et une soudaine poussée positive qui veut vous faire sortir et rencontrer les gens. Mais elle n'est pas là pendant longtemps, car vous savez que les choses ne marcheront pas de toute façon. Vous ne voulez plus d'échecs et vous décidez donc de rester dans votre...
Okay. Vous retrouver means you feel. Assis means to sit down, to lie down. Pah teh means by the floor or on the earth, on the ground. Da means in. La salle de bain means bathroom. Tro means in the process. The is a partitive article. Sa is a reflexive verb. Demande means to ask. Pourquoi means why. Vous means you. N'êtes pas means are not. Assez means enough. Bon means good. Why you are not good enough. Okay. U means or. A means at. Trois means 3 hours. Du matin means in the morning. Le mo means the hands. Sur means on. La bouche means the mouth. A trop means in the process. Pleurer means to cry. Tellement means so. Que vous avez means that you have. Mal means pain. A la means of the. Poitrine means chest. Okay. Un partir means apart. The vous of you. Vous means want. Faire means to do. Le chose bien. The good things. Un soudain. A sudden. Pousser push. Positive. A sudden positive push. Qui who. Vous want you. Faire sortir. To go out. To leave the place. Rencontrer and meet. The gens, people. The is a reflexive verb. Gens means people. Sorry, the is a partitive article. Gens is a people. Mais elle, but it. N'est pas, isn't. N'est pas is not. La means here. Pendant, for. Longtemps, long time. But it is not here for long time. Because. Kah means because. Vous, you. Savez, no. Que, that. Le shoes, the thing. Ne marcheront pas, will not work. Okay, will not work. Pas the de toute façon, in any way. Okay. Vous ne voulez plus. You know, you want, no more want. Vous ne voulez plus. You no more want. D'échecs, to fail. Vous décidez. You decide. Donc, so. Reste, to rest. To remain, to stay. Reste means to remain, to stay. Dans means in. Votre, your. Ok, chalo.
Besoin de confort où personne ne pose des questions, car vous ne voulez plus répondre aux questions pour ne pas se faire dire que vous essayez d'attirer de l'attention. Ils croient que si vous souriez, tout est correct. Vous vous trouvez dépressif pour tellement longtemps que vous ne voyez plus votre vie sans la dépression. C'est le deuil de la mort d'une personne que vous avez humiliée une fois. Vous. Quand vous vous regardez dans le miroir, vous ne voyez que des humains. Il n'y a pas d'étincelle ni de joie. Vous ne pouvez plus. Vous vous demandez comment survivre notre jour. Et c'est là que deux choses peuvent arriver. Soit vous décidez d'obtenir de l'aide, soit vous envisagez un.
Okay, the movie ends here. Okay, now I'll explain what is left. Okay, Vous décidez, you decide. Dans, so. Restez means to stay. Dans votre, in your. Zone de confort, comfort zone. Où, where. Personne, person. Ne pose, don't ask or don't pose, post. The question, the questions. Car, because. Vous, you. Ne voulez pas, don't want. Répondre, to respond, to answer. To question, of the question. Pour, for. Ne pas, not. Faire, to do. Dire, to say. Que, that. Vous, you. Essayer, try. D'attirer, to attract. L'attention, the attention. Ils croient, they think. Que, that. See, if. Vous, you. Sourire, smile. To, all. Is. Correct, correct. Vous retrouvez, you find. En dépression, in depression. Pour tellement, for so, longtemps, long time. You find yourself in depression for so long that. Vous ne vouliez plus, you no more want. Votre, your, wir, life. Sans, without. La dépression, the depression. C'est, it is. Le, it is the morning, mourning, morning. Okay. De la morte, of the dead. D'un, of a person. Que, that. Vous avez, you have. Aimé, liked. Il y a, ago. Une fois, a time or once. Quand, when. Vous regardez, you look. Second vous is a reflexive verb, it don't have a meaning. Okay, so vous regardez, you look. Dans le miroir, in the mirror. Vous ne voyez, vous voyez, you see. Vous voyez, you see. Que, that. You, eyes, mort, dead. You see the dead eyes. Il n'y a, there is no. Il n'y a pas, there is no. Étincelle, it means spark. Ni the joie, nor the joy. Neither there is spark nor the joy. Vous ne pouvez plus, you can't, you no more can. You no more can. Vous demandez, you ask. Comment survivre, how to survive. Un, outre, an other. Je, de, a, and. C'est, it is. La, here. Que, that. Do, to, choose, thing. Pouvons, can. Arriver, arrive. Soit, either. Vous, you. Décider, decide. D'obtenir, to obtain or to get. The l'aide, the help. Soit, or. Vous, you. Envisage, consider. That's it. Okay, so here I finish my video. Kindly see my video and tell me how is my video. Your comments and feedbacks are important for me, so please give your comments, honest comments and feedbacks. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, take care, have a nice day.